DC Norwich Jet CookTM Infusion System is a system for the processing of liquid foods and beverages for the food industry. The system can simultaneously heat, mix and emulsify in a single pass from temperatures from 50 degrees C to 148 degrees C, reducing energy costs by up to 50% and processing time by 75%, while also giving superior finished product quality and zero burn. Jet Cook Unit works by accelerating steam via patented annular nozzles and conditioning chambers, while pulling a partial vacuum, sucking product into the unit, picking up a minimum of 15 degrees C on a single pass, collapsing the steam into the product, coming out homogeneously. The system will pick up a minimum of 15 degrees C on a single pass. By putting these units in line, you get a delta T of over 130 degrees on a single pass. This particular style of unit is an in-tank unit, which will sit inside a vessel. The unit is fitted towards the bottom of the vessel, and it will suck the products into here by pulling a partial vacuum, recirculate the product around the vessel, and will typically heat 1,000 kilos of water from 10 degrees to 98 degrees in 12 to 13 minutes. These units can also be fitted inline to do single pass heating. For example, by using our multi-inline award-winning system, we can take products from 50 degrees C to 148 degrees C in a single pass in less than 2 meters, with flow rates of more than 22 tons an hour. This particular volume is used for products like mojo, condensed milk, baby food and pet food. This particular system in tank can be fitted into vessels depending on the style of your agitator, or can be fitted in line on a recirculation, so coming out to the bottom of the vessel, through the unit and back into the top of the vessel. Some of the benefits of Jet Cook include reduced processing time. For example, 1,000 kilos of barbecue sauce will take between 25 and 30 minutes compared to over an hour of traditional processing. It will give superior flavour due to simultaneously heating and mixing of the unit. It will also have dramatic energy cost reductions because the steam collapses into the product, so we use 99.5% of the steam. Other benefits include a reduction in fat and salt. We do this without simultaneously heating and mixing, creating very, very small droplet sizes, up to about 100 microns. By creating such small droplet sizes, it creates a sensation in your mouth of a higher salt and higher fat content product. Reduced fat in products of up to 45 to 50%, and salt like 10 to 50%. It improves the appearance of products that has no moving parts, so there's no pumps associated with the system. With the rapid heating, it reduces the processing time in the vessel of vegetables or fruit, so they're maintaining the colour, the integrity and the nutritional value of the product. The system is capable of using a wide range of products, such as soups, sauces, pet food, desserts, rice pudding and pasta. As it has no moving parts, the product moves through here without being degraded at all. And by running this with our recipe manager system, it means you have complete flexibility to run a wide variety of products. Our systems around the world are producing products such as pie fillings, sauces, soups, desserts, custards, and baby food. In the last 18 to 24 months, we've seen further development of the Jet Cook. We're now producing drinks like mojo in Africa, condensed milk in Azerbaijan, and now we have an exciting new pet food product in the UK, which will give us a sophisticated pet food system in the world. The system will add approximately 10% of water to your product with the steam collapsing into it. This 10% of water is taken out at the beginning of the recipe and then goes back into the processing. So theoretically, we should end up with 100% yield. The largest system we produce to date is the mojo system for South Africa. It produces 3 6,000 kilo batches in less than 1 hour, whilst also in training 600 kilos of powder with our patented powder training system in less than 2 minutes. Converting the traditional recipes and processes to Jet Cook is quite simple. We keep the recipe exactly as it is if required, or we will change your process. So we'll assess your recipes, change your processing stages, and dramatically reduce your processing time. This can be done theoretically or in our facility in the UK or our test facility in Cape Town, South Africa. Jet Cook can reduce the salt, fat and flavouring of your products while simultaneously heating and mixing. We gelatinise the starch at a much lower temperature than traditional manufacturing as we simultaneously heat and mix it. We we create a much larger surface area and a larger swelling of the starch granules. By creating this larger surface area, it allows the salt and the fats, the flavourings to adhere to the sides. So once this product is eaten, you have the sensation of having a saltier, fattier tasting product. It enables us to take out fat by up to 40 to 50% in some products and salt by 10 to 15%. We're presently working with UK government funded projects with a large UK retailer to write a white paper on the reduction of fat and salt.